Imagine living next door to someone who, for 4 years, concealed a horrifying secret. The mummified bodies of her own parents hidden within the very walls of their home. In September 2023, concerns arose when John and Lois McCullough missed multiple medical appointments. Their GP, unable to contact them, alerted authorities. Essex police conducted a welfare check at their Chelmsford home, uncovering a horrifying scene.
It's fine. No one in here at the moment. Hold on. The police. Got it. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Show your chance.
Inside, officers found the mummified bodies of the elderly couple. Their daughter, Virginia McCullough, had been living with their remains for 4 years. In June 2019, Virginia poisoned her father, John, with prescription drugs. When her mother, Lois, didn't succumb to the same method, Virginia resorted to bludgeoning and stabbing her to death. She then constructed a makeshift tomb for her father using breeze blocks and sleeping bags, and hid her mother's body in a wardrobe wrapped similarly.
My dad's body's there.
Right, okay.
Yep, okay. Obviously,
Where about your mum?
a little bit more complicated.
Okay.
That's why I say, can I go upstairs and show
Right,
you?
can you explain it to us, please? Because
Because
we're trying to preserve this. It's now going to be seen, so we need to preserve this the best we can. So I don't want you to have you walking up there, all right? Because that's for your well-being as well as ours.
Oh, no, up.
Okay. So where will we find your mum? Where will we find your mum?
Okay, so upstairs there are about 5 wardrobes.
Yep.
It's behind the bed, but back next to the sink. That's the second one.
Virginia, the youngest of 5 daughters, lived rent-free with her parents. She claimed to be studying art, promising future financial support. However, she had accumulated nearly £60,000 in debt, much of it fraudulently obtained using her parents' identities. Described as socially awkward and a compulsive liar, Virginia was diagnosed with paranoia and autism. Her defense acknowledged these conditions but did not use them to excuse her actions.
Cheer up, at least you fought the bad guy. I deserve to obviously get whatever's coming sentence-wise, because that's the right thing to do. And that might give me a bit of peace.
Upon her arrest, Virginia confessed, stating, "At least you've caught the bad guy." Her lack of remorse and detailed confession shocked investigators.
McCullough lied about almost every aspect of her life, maintaining a charade to deceive everyone close to her and clearly taking advantage of her parents' goodwill. She is an intelligent manipulator who chose to kill her parents callously without a thought for them or those who continue to suffer as a result of their loss.
In October 2024, Virginia McCullough pleaded guilty to 2 counts of murder. The judge sentenced her to life imprisonment with a minimum term of 36 years, highlighting her calculated actions driven by financial gain.
So the next bit is very hard to talk about. That's probably the most grisly detail. It's in the middle underneath the stairs. It will still have blood on it. It's rusted, but it will still have blood traces on it.
Louise Hopkins, Virginia's estranged sister, expressed her devastation but chose to forgive Virginia, focusing on healing and rebuilding her life. What do you think about Virginia's psychology? Comment below. If you like how we present these cases, like and share. And if you consume true crime documentaries, subscribe to Mystery Undone. Virginia is currently serving her sentence in a UK prison with no eligibility for parole until 2060. This harrowing case serves as a grim reminder of the depths of human deception and the importance of vigilance within our communities.